Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. For this video, I'm super excited because I was finally able, I actually finally remembered that Target also has beauty boxes. If I'm not mistaken, they have two different boxes. I didn't check to see if they had a different one, but when I went online, I searched Target beauty box and their box popped up. So the one that we have here is for the month of August. And for this one, it's a little bit different from what we're used to. Just because this one is obviously Target brand, or not Target brand, but items that they carry at Target. You are supposed to get 7 items in the box and they are all travel size. So the box is, like I said, $7 total. They do charge taxes, but it is free shipping, which I think it's pretty awesome. They obviously give you like little things for you to try, and if you like them, then you can obviously always go back to Target and purchase a full size. But they will throw in, 7 items for you. Let's get into the box. This is what the box looks like. It's actually a pretty cute box. I think that it's one that you can reuse after time. It didn't have any tape or anything because it was wrapped in the clear plastic. So it's not like the box is damaged at all. So these little boxes would be pretty cool to just put any other things in for storage. So this is what this month's looks like. It has some red peppers here and it just says beauty. So it does have that little Target here, but it doesn't have the word like Target anywhere on here, so you can use it for anything. So if you open it up, just like all the other ones, they come with a little pamphlet. This one here, it tells you what you get inside, but it also gives you a $3 off coupon here. And it is for a beauty purchase of $15 or more. And this one will expire on September 1st. So they give you about a month to use it. And then we have our little tissue paper here with all of our things inside. So let me start getting inside, and I'm going to take out the one that looks the best to me. And the first one here is My Bite Vitamins, Beauty Inside and Out. That is what the packaging looks like. And it looks like they're little chocolate, like little mini chocolate bars. The one that I have here, it says dark. So it says dark chocolatey bites with rich caramel, roasted peanuts, and a whipped center. Oh, okay. So I'm actually going to have one right now. I normally do take multivitamins, and the ones that I take are gummies. So this is not going to be much different. It says I have 5 bites in here, and it says it is a 5-day supply. That's not bad. So let me just have one now. Why not? They are, they are a little bit melted. I didn't know they were gonna be chocolate, but they are a little bit melted. That is really good. Normally, like I said, I do the gummies, but these are really, really good. So these were really good. It almost tasted like I was having a Snickers bar, like a little mini Snickers bite size candy. And this one says they are only 25 calories per serving, and you have one of these every day. And it says extra strength biotin, excellent source of vitamin C, and excellent source of vitamin E. So, I mean, I'll take them. And I have 4 more left in here. So let's see what else we have here. The next one here is from Ozzie, and it is a 3-minute Miracle Moist. And this is a deep conditioner. This is what our little bottle looks like. Little squeezy bottle. And something smells good. Yeah. It smells nice. It smells clean. It smells fresh. And this is a deep conditioner from Ozzie. Let's see what else we have in here. So that is 2. This is item number 3. and it is from Dove Men Plus Care, and it is a fortifying shampoo and conditioner, and the scent fresh and clean. It does smell fresh and clean. That is your bottle there. And like I mentioned in the beginning, these are all going to be travel sizes, which they are things that you would normally find in their travel size section. So most of these things are worth at least $1. So, and then these, I think they go for like $1.39, $1 something, sometimes even $2. So it's actually not bad. This is item number 3 that we have in our box, and let's see what this one is here. We have something here from Hello, and it is an activated charcoal plus hemp seed oil, and I think this is a toothpaste. Whitens naturally, removes plaque, freshens breath, and tastes awesome. Yeah, I think this is a toothpaste. This is what the little bottle looks like, just gray with green letters, and the brand is Hello. I've never tried a toothpaste with charcoal, so let me see. I want to see what it looks like really quick. Oh, I wonder what that's going to look like when I start brushing my teeth. Yeah, it's toothpaste, very minty. So I'm excited to try this one out. I've never tried a charcoal toothpaste. It's completely black, so I really wonder what that's going to look like once I'm brushing my teeth. It's going to be kind of scary. Okay, and up next we have something from Oral-B. They are the Precision Clean Interdental Picks. We have a pack of 50. Okay, so that's what we have there, and it's pretty much a floss, but in a little stick form, and which I think would make it a whole lot easier to floss than what the regular string, which, I mean, it's pretty cool. A 50-piece floss pick thing. And then the very last thing that we have in here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder if they include the box as the 7th item. This is our last item that we have in our box, and it's from Herbal Essence, and we have a shampoo and conditioner. It says it is for color protection. This is what the packet looks like, and it would be for about 1 use. It's a pretty big packet, but there's not much in there. So that is the last item from our box. So like I said, I wonder if they count the box as a 7th item. It kind of doesn't make sense that they would say 7 items in the box, but really we only got 6, and that's why I'm thinking that they might be counting the box as the 7th item. But actually for $7, it's not bad, because these, especially the shampoos and the conditioners, come in very, very handy when you do have to travel. You don't have to go buy separate containers and refill those so you can take your shampoo. These are nice to just have grab and go. So for $7, I actually don't think it's too bad. Let me know what you guys think about it though. One negative for me is the fact that they say 7 items, but I only got 6, but I still don't think it's a bad deal. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And that is all for this video. Remember, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. That is all for me right now. I will be back soon. And I hope I will see you guys here too. Bye.